We need to finalize our staffing plan for Blue Horizon Hotel. What do we need?
We'll hire around 6 employees, which is front desk, housekeeping, kitchen, and maintenance staff.
That should cover all departments and keep the operations smooth. Great, let's hire immediately.
On it, ma'am. We'll be ready before the busy season starts.
We need more staff. What's your plan?
For internal hiring, we'll promote the best front desk clerk to supervisor. For external hiring, we'll promote new room attendants for local school.
Great idea. That keeps our team motivated and brings in fresh start.
Okay, let's start right away.
Pauline, how's our staff training plan?
Well, do a 2-day training on customer service and hotel safety.
I handle the front desk session to guide new staff.
Okay, let's make sure everyone's ready to serve the guests well.
Everyone's been working hard. Let's find ways to keep our staff motivated.
We can give employee awards and small bonuses.
Okay, a team building day after a busy season.
That would be great. It makes us feel appreciated.
Perfect! Happy employees mean happy guests.